This is how you set the time and date on your Casio W-86. All you need to do is to press the mode button 3 times. We are going to arrive right here where you can see that we can set the seconds. If I press the button on the right, they are going to reset to 0. Every time you press it, they are going to reset to 0. If I press the light button, we are going to arrive at the hours. I can press and hold in order to speed scroll, or I can press it one at a time in order to go one by one. I can press the light button once again in order to adjust the minutes one by one, or I can press and hold in order to speed scroll. This is very useful for the minutes. I'm going to make it 45. Then I'm going to press the light button once again. Here I can select the month. So I'm going to make it May. Then I'm going to press it once again in order to set the day of the month. I can use the speed scroll function here as well. So I'm going to make it the 15th, just like that. And if I press the light button again, we can select the day of the week. Let's make it Monday. Now, if I press the light button one more time, we are going to resume from the beginning, so we can start the process all over again. In case you made a mistake, you can use the light button in order to arrive at what you want to change. Use the button on the right in order to adjust it. And once everything is done and ready, so correct, press the mode button and all of your data is going to be saved. As you can see, we have the 24-hour display. If I want to make it the 12-hour display, I can press the button on the right. If I want to switch back to the 24-hour display, we can do that, and it is going to show us the 24-hour display by using the button on the right. This tutorial is going to work for other Casio watch models out there as well, such as the F91W and the A163W that feature the 3 buttons. If you enjoyed this content, guys, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews. It really helps the channel grow. So like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next video.